Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be quickly covering something called Rayleigh scattering. And this is actually a lot more relatable than you would think. So just look up during the midday and you'll see a wonderful blue sky with clouds. And if you ever wondered why the sky is blue, well, it is because of Rayleigh scattering. So what is Rayleigh scattering? Well, I think we need to first review some basics of light. Recall that light is a spectrum of energy called the electromagnetic spectrum, and specifically light that comes from the sun or any white light is a combination of all of the possible wavelengths. If we're just looking at the specific part of the spectrum that we can see called the visible spectrum, which is that like color bar you see at the bottom, we see all the different colors correspond to different wavelengths of light, and this is important. We'll come back to it in a sec. So how does it actually work? Well, the atmosphere and most of Earth's air is primarily made up of nitrogen and oxygen. And so when light hits an oxygen or a nitrogen atom, it will excite the atom, and the atom will start to vibrate with the electrons in the atom will start to vibrate with the same frequency as the light. And when it does this, it kind of emits radiation, which is light, in all directions. And this light can then hit other particles, like the nitrogen you see on the left, and it'll scatter again. And so this is basically what we call Rayleigh scattering. And I'm not going to get too in depth with the math, but here's a basic law of scattering that Rayleigh came up with. And he said that the symbol you see on the left is scattering is inversely proportional to the wavelength to the fourth power. So what this means is high energy light like red, orange, yellow light will have low scattering, and low energy light like blue and purple will have high scattering. So if you look at this diagram, you see that like the high energy light, like the red, orange, yellow, and green, will pass straight through, won't scatter much, and hit the earth. But the blue and the darker and lower energy colors will actually scatter a lot more throughout the air. And so this is what makes your sky blue. When you look up, you see the scattering of light throughout the atmosphere. Now, you would think that violet or purple would be what you see the most because it is the lowest energy, which does mean it has the highest scattering. However, violet light is harder for humans to see, and some of the particles in the atmosphere actually absorb violet light. So what you see primarily in the air is blue light. So yeah, I hope this quick video just teaches you a little more about how our sky is blue. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.